Welcome to our first PodioBook, Modern Service Mastery. This PodioBook is the result of over 30 years of experience from myself as a crew leader, a laborer, a salesperson, sales manager, project manager, trainer. I've taken all of that experience. I've been reading a book a month for over 25 years now, so you don't have to. Taking all of that information, combining it with all the experience and a lot of trial and error, and a lot of people just want, hey, give me the facts, give me what's going to move the needle, and that's exactly what this is. And I've tried to put it together in a way that people are going to enjoy it and want to come back, because consistency kills. Whether you're going to the gym, trying to improve your physique, you're trying to maybe lose weight, you don't just do it once or twice, you do it over weeks and months and years, and that's how you get the results. And that's exactly what we're doing here with PodioBook.net and Modern Service Mastery. So I want people to want to come back, have the discipline to want to come back, but also make it enjoyable, and I want it to stick. So people like podcasts. So we have podcasts in every chapter. Stories stick. So I have a story in every chapter, mostly around my experiences. And so I'm going to keep this brief. Enjoy the book. Engage in the community. That's how I've learned over the years. And let me know in the comments how we can improve.